How to edit TikTok videos. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can edit a TikTok video. So maybe you want to improve the overall look of the video with the effects, filters and transition, or you want to incorporate music and sound effects to make your video more entertaining. This tutorial will teach you several steps you can follow to edit TikTok videos. So I'll cover everything from opening the TikTok app to finding the right settings. So guys, stay tuned if you want to enhance your TikTok videos with editing. Alright, so open the TikTok app as you normally will. Then tap on the plus button to create a new video. Just tap on the plus button. Alright, here you can either record a video or you select from your photo gallery. Just tap on the photo icon and this open your gallery. Select a photo or video you want to use, or you can make a quick recording. Alright, on this page is where you want to do the editing. You can see a lot of things you can edit. You can add text, add sticker. Just tap on the edit option so it will be easier for you to access all of this. Now you can trim the video. You can add sound. Just tap on add sound and select any of the sound you want to add. You can browse through the music, use the search icon. You can go through your favorite music or the recent music you've searched for, anyone according to your preference. Just tap on it to add sound to this video. What else can you do? You can also add text to this video. You can make it a caption. You can just a written text according to your preference. All right, let's add a written text. Let me go with traveling. And you can see traveling went for only 3 seconds of the video. To enlarge it, to make it in all the video, you just drag the slider to adjust this, and your caption will cover all the video, not just some portion of it, as you can see on the screen. Alright, you can also tap on the down icon to continue. You can also edit this. You can edit it, you can crop it to make it smaller. Choose any ratio depending on your preference. If it's the 9:16 ratio, this is what it will look like. The 16:9 ratio is what it will look like. 1:1 ratio is what it will look like. Anyone according to your preference for the cropping, you can select it. Okay, let's continue with editing. What else can we do? We can speed up the video. Yes, tap on the speed option and select how fast you want it to be or how slow you want the video to be. If you want it fast, you go with from 2x upward, and you can see my video is moving just too fast. If you want it slow, you go below 1x. Alright, that's for the speed. You can save it, you can cancel it, anyone. Let's look for what we can do again. Tap on that arrow. You can add sound, which is the music. You can add effects and filters. Tap on effects. You can see the latest effect. You can add the trending one, the new effect, visual effects, dynamic effect. Let's go with this effect. And as you can see, the effect has been on my video. Tap on it to add this effect. As you can see, the smoke effect is only available for this part of the video. If you want the effect for all the parts, you will drag the slider and the effect will be available. Alright, let's continue. To replace the effect, just tap on replace effect and you can go for another effect. You can also add filters. Tap on filters. Once your filter is loaded, you can see the portrait filter, landscape filter, food filter, vibe and the rest. So let's go with food filter, or let's go with landscape filter. If you select the G1, you will see the effect. You can see how you can adjust the slider of the filter. You can do numerous and lots of entertaining things to edit your TikTok video, making it more effective and entertaining. And what else? Let's look for what we can do again. Okay, you can add text, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want on this your particular posts. Once you're done and you're satisfied with editing your TikTok post, you just tap on next. And on this page is where you can tag locations, you can add the hashtags, you can tag friends, you can select the privacy setting on who to view your posts. Okay, just tap on it. If you want it everyone, just your followers that you follow back, or only you, select anyone according to your preference. Once you are done, you tap on post, and this way you have edited your TikTok video and you've posted it on TikTok. I hope this helped you. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.